Hi everyone, today I am going to make a video on degree of amines. Okay, this is very easy. There are three type of degree of amines are possible. First one is a primary amine, second one is a secondary amine, third one is a tertiary amine. Okay, this all depends on number of carbon atom directly attached with a nitrogen. Okay, see here, degree of amine depends on number of carbon directly attached with a nitrogen. If one carbon directly attached with a nitrogen means that amine what we call primary amine. If a two carbon directly attached with a nitrogen means that amine what we call secondary amine. If a three carbon directly attached with a nitrogen means that amine what we call tertiary amine. Okay na? By taking an example I will explain. Very simple. See in first example here in this example nitrogen is present. Okay na? Now this nitrogen is directly attached with how many carbon? Only one carbon. So this amine what we call primary amine. Why? Because here nitrogen is directly attached with only one carbon. So this amine what we call primary amine. Now in second example, nitrogen, here center nitrogen is present and this nitrogen directly making a bond with two more carbon. Here this nitrogen making bond with here one carbon and this nitrogen making a bond with here one more carbon. So if a nitrogen is directly attached with a two carbon atom means that one what we call secondary amine. Now in a third example, here see in third example nitrogen is present, correct? Now this nitrogen is directly attached with how many carbon? Only one carbon. So this one what we call again primary amine. Now primary amine. Now see in this example nitrogen is present here. Okay na? Now this nitrogen is directly attached with how many carbon? Here one carbon and here one carbon. So this nitrogen is directly making a bond with the two more carbon. So this amine what we call secondary amine. Now in fifth example, here nitrogen is present and this nitrogen is directly attached with only one carbon. So this amine what we call primary amine. Now here in this example, here is nitrogen present. Okay na? Now this nitrogen is directly making a bond with how many carbon or directly attached with how many carbon we have to see. Okay na? Now here nitrogen is directly attached with one carbon and here one carbon and here one carbon. This nitrogen is directly making bond with three more carbon. So this nitrogen degree is tertiary. So what we call this one? Tertiary amine. Okay. Now next example. In seventh example, in this example here is a nitrogen. Okay na? Now this nitrogen is directly attached with how many carbon we have to find. Correct? Now here this is a one carbon. Okay, this is a one carbon in this example. Now this is a one carbon and this is a one carbon and this is a one carbon. Correct? But to find the degree of amine, we should know that we should find out how many carbon directly attached with the nitrogen or nitrogen making bond with the how many carbon directly. Okay na? This nitrogen is directly making a bond with this one carbon and this one carbon. Means this nitrogen is directly attached with how many carbon? Two carbon. So here the nature of this carbon is secondary. Okay na? Now see here in this example, how many nitrogen here? Here is one nitrogen and here is one more nitrogen and here is one more nitrogen. Okay na? All the nitrogen nature we need to find. Nature means whether it is a primary, whether it is a secondary and whether it is a tertiary. Okay na? Now see here, this nitrogen is directly making a bond with only one carbon. So what we call this one? Primary. Okay, now here this nitrogen is directly making a bond with how many carbon means here 1 and here 2 and here 3. Directly this nitrogen making 3 bond with the other 3 carbon atom. So this one what we call tertiary. Now see here this nitrogen directly making a bond with a how many carbon means here 1 carbon and here second carbon. So what we call this one secondary. Okay, understood. Now last example, very important. Now here my question is in this in this example how many primary nitrogen and secondary nitrogens are present, that one we need to find. Correct? How to find means, see there are in this example 1 2 3 4 5 6 nitrogens are present. Correct? Now among 6 nitrogen how many primary nitrogens are present and how many secondary nitrogens are present, that one we find now. Correct? Now how means, see this nitrogen is directly making a bond with how many carbon? Only 1 carbon. Correct? So this one what we call primary nitrogen. Now see here this nitrogen directly making a bond with how many carbon? Only 1 carbon. So what we call this one? Primary nitrogen. Now see here this nitrogen directly making a bond with only 1 carbon. So again this one what we call primary nitrogen. Okay now see here this nitrogen is directly making a bond with this one and this one. Consider this is a star carbon and this is a star carbon, and this nitrogen is directly making a bond with these 2 carbon. So the nature of this nitrogen is secondary. Now here this nitrogen is again making a directly bond with 2 more carbon. Correct? So what is the nature of this one means secondary. Now here this nitrogen is directly making a bond with 2 more carbon. So what is the nature of this one means secondary. Correct? In this example there are 1 2 3 primary nitrogens are present, and in this example 1 2 3 tertiary nitrogens are present. Understood? Very simple topic. There are 3 type of nitrogen. One is a primary, and second one is a secondary, and third one is a tertiary. Okay, now only 3 type of nitrogens or 3 type of amines are possible. Why? Because nitrogen valence is 3, so it make maximum only 3 bond. So 3 type of amines and 3 type of nitrogens are present. Understood? Thank you.